So, market recap and trade recap of Tuesday, December 2nd. Nice win today on this Tuesday. Um, Unfortunately, I woke up at like 9:05, 9:10, and I just didn't really do outlooks because I was just on the charts. Um, but basically, what I was seeing and what I literally had in my head, so I mean, you're just gonna have to believe me here. But when I woke up, we were trading around here. So I said, okay, market open. Hopefully we dump and then go like that, which we did exactly that. So I'm really proud of that. This was my draw, and then I had these standard deviations aligning up here as my draw, which these just aligned, which gave me just this level, which we, as of right now, are selling off from at least, it gave 100 points. So that's solid. Which I mean, I don't have a camera, but in a group chat that I'm in, I sent 640. I said I had 640 as a level, and it hit. It gave 14 points of drawdown for 100 points, and it could continue lower. But there's a 15-minute gap here, so never know. But yeah. So what did I have today? So a higher time frame. I'm really bullish, obviously, because we're on a higher time frame market maker buy model. And I have this standard deviation here, and I have excuse me, and I have this one here and this one here. So this one was from yesterday. 1 to 1.5 aligns with the previous day high. We have our 2 to 2.5 up here, and then we have this standard deviation here, which the 2 to 2.5 aligns with the 4 hour for value gap, which we also know that with standard deviation you want the manipulation leg. The manipulation leg, which is this, um, should normally only go to the 2 to 2.5, but then the expansion, as seen here, normally goes to 3 to 4. So this is A plus already. Like, I'm loving it. Clear draw, respecting our standard deviation zones, and we have our PD array, our 4 hour inverse, and it's just so clear. And we have a lot of manipulation, a good amount of manipulation below midnight and the daily open, respecting bullish PD arrays, etc. So very, very clear and obvious. So we go on the 1 hour. I saw that we had this big leg up, and we have this 1 hour for value gap right here, and we also have this order block, which is now a breaker block because we disrespected it, aligning with the 1 hour for value gap. And then we tap and we reject, create a bullish rejection block. I was like, okay, ideally I want to see this hold and then come higher. So that's what I had. I had a limit originally at the CE just because my stop would have only been 10 points, which as you can see got edged. But then how did I know to enter even though my limit got edged? So the draw is blatantly obvious. I'm so confident in it being higher, and after market open not having the craziest amount of volume and not just like dumping or anything. And a lot of this is just intuition and market experience and discretion. But I saw that we edged CE, my limit, and then we had this 1 minute bullish candle right here that closed above this, and a 1 minute CISD right there. And after this displacement upwards, I'm like, and this is all just discretion. I just was like, there's nope, like this is getting edged. We're not gonna come back here before going higher. It doesn't make sense. So I saw that there was an order block now here because this candle closed above this candle's open, and I took like the CE right here, and my size was not correct. I didn't size it enough because I wanted to just like TP here, but um, I just left it running because I was so confident that we were gonna come to where the twos and the 3 to 5 to 4 meet. I was just so confident in that we so I just left a runner, and it ended up hitting, and it should have passed my eval. I think I have to wait until later in the day for it to to update. If it updates and I still haven't passed, I'm gonna be pissed because my account's at 3,800 and I should have followed every single rule, according to like me and ChatGPT and some other people. So yeah, super nice, super clean trade. Hit TP in 4 minutes from my bed. Um, super nice. And then obviously I had the 640 level, which it wasn't really the trade; it was more of a target. But yeah, but it was solid. Gave and bro, people who say standard deviation doesn't work. It's just cope, bro. Like every strategy works, and it obviously works because oh, 2 to 5. Oh, we ran. Oh, 3.5 to 4, and the twos line up. Oh, and we tell them like it works. It works every single day. Right. So yeah, really good trading day. Really happy with my performance and everything. Which was nice too. Was I was immediately in profit. I don't think I was in drawdown at all. So my stop. When I didn't even place a stop loss. Like when I placed my stop loss, I just placed it break even, and it was super super nice. Um, but yeah, I don't really know what we're gonna do now, and I don't really care, to be honest. Um, but yeah, super good trading day. Super solid. Super clean. I wanted to get a screen recording of my trade, but I was on FaceTime with my girlfriend, so I couldn't post a TikTok or. But yeah, that was basically my thoughts and why I took this trade. And you, Bergen, fuck, I leaked my name. Doesn't matter. Just need to keep doing this. Keep, you know, trading like this. This is your strategy. This is how you trade. And it works, and it has helped you pass this account. And because you finally got your psychology together, you're able to pass and not break your rules. And now, coming in December, yesterday I took a loss of like 180 and then made 1,300 today. So good, really really good start to a month. Super happy with my performance, and yeah, I'm gonna go journal my trade now, and yeah, going on with my day. So yeah.